Hi and welcome to MarineMax. My name's Perry. I'm part of the sales team here in Baltimore. We're going to start on this boat, a 2020 Scout 235 XSF, so center console. Newer boat from Scout. It's been out for a couple of years now. So we'll start in the back. So you got a full walk-through transom here. You got a 3-step ladder on the starboard side. Your engine package is a 300 horsepower Yamaha. It's a very fuel-efficient engine. Digital throttle and shift. Moving forward, lots of cup holders, lots of rod holders. You're going to have your live well located here. For seating, you've got a fold-out seat right here. So whether you're fishing or going around with the family to restaurants, a lot of seating for them. You've got a Yeti cooler. You've got bait well or tackle box storage, cutting surface here if you're out fishing. Very ergonomic handrails here, more cup holders, more rod holders. Moving up to where all the magic happens. So you've got your Edson steering wheel, trim and tilt right here, your digital throttle and shift throttle. You got your Garmin 8610 display, all your lights, all your pumps, all your switches located here. You've got a nice large glove box here, Lenco trim tabs, and of course your Fusion stereo remote. One thing that separates Scouts is their lines. So look at this hardtop, look how it's swept back, and then how it brings you forward into the bow, and it's a really nice running angle. Also, more storage inside the center console here. So you got a pump out head there. And then forward, got a very large coffin box. So it's about 60 gallons of storage, whether one of you put fishing gear, ice, got it all. More storage boxes here, all insulated, all drained outside the boat, not into the bilge. For people that are sitting up in the bow, very comfortable grab handles, front leaning backrest, as well as you got your anchor locker located forward. If you'd like to take a closer look, please come on down to MarineMax Baltimore. My name's Perry. Have a nice day.